How to add account on Crunchyroll. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can add multiple accounts in your Crunchyroll. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application and at the top search bar, type in crunchyroll.com and get logged into your Crunchyroll account. As you do so, the only way you can add accounts in your Crunchyroll is by switching to premium account. Click onto Premium at the top bar. Then you will see three premium plans. If you choose the Mega Fan, you can select up to 4 devices at a time, meaning that you can add up to 4 accounts in your one Crunchyroll account. And that is the only way you can add accounts in your Crunchyroll. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.